Hello EDUSPLORERs, thanks for joining us again and welcome back to another informative video on our YouTube channel. On today's episode, we are looking at the foreign direct investment revolution taking place in the Republic of Ghana. And more importantly, in this episode, we shall examine why multinational companies select Ghana over other West African economies and other countries within the sub-region. And we shall close this episode as to the reason what has Ghana done differently that other countries in the region are still grappling with. So without any much delay, we should just go straight into it. Ghana has long been taunted as the gateway to West Africa, and Africa as a whole. It has one of the fastest growing economies in ECOWAS sub-region over the last 5 years and remains a top destination for investment, largely because of its political stability, low crime rate, respect for rule of law, and also comparatively large market. Ghana's international airport is one of the busiest in the region, with connecting flights to the rest of the continent and beyond. Accra, the capital city, is rapidly urbanizing with strong transport links to other major cities. The country's physical and digital infrastructure is among the most developed within the region, with mobile internet penetration at about 50% based on figures in 2021 January, also among the highest on the African continent. Ghana is endowed with abundant natural resources, including vast agriculture and mining, and well-educated population and a strong middle class. When you look at Ghana, the real strength of Ghana is embodied in its democratic credentials. Ghana is considered a beacon of democracy in Africa, having successfully organized 7 presidential and parliamentary elections and seamlessly transitioned to different governments since 1992. The most recent election was held in December of 2020. It was also held and fought in a messy way, and also it finally transitioned and was very stable in terms of result, and the country moved to a hopeful different level as compared to other countries within the region. If you are new to EDUSPLORER, we would encourage you to subscribe and share our videos to your different network. Many will question the reason why Ghana has transformed in recent years. If you go back to looking at the trajectory, looking at Ghana's growth and its expansion in different ways, the country has come a long way. Draw back to between 1960 and 1993. Ghana experienced 3 periods of civilian rule interspersed with military government. The economy suffered greatly as a result of this political and economic instability. And economic growth was low and also sometimes negative. Economic growth started to improve after 1992 when the country returned to constitutional rule under the Fourth Republic. Between 2000 and 2008, the economy grew at an average rate of 0, that's up to 5.3% per year, compared to the sub-Saharan African average of 5% per annum. Ghana's economic growth picked up at 14% in 2011 after the first year of oil production was also the fastest growing economy in the world at that particular time. Despite all of this growth rate could not be sustained and decline continues to 3.4% in 2016. Ghana, like most African countries, depend heavily on exports of primary commodities. The poor performance from 2012 to 2016 was due to the decline in commodity prices combined with other factors. This includes persistent power supply shortages that forced several businesses to close or relocate to other countries in the region. Ghana also experienced microeconomic challenges such as poor fiscal management, low public investment, double-digit inflation, and also a volatile exchange rate. As a result, there was a decline in key sectors such as agriculture and also manufacturing. But what happened then? Looking at that particular challenging period, the economy began to turn around after 2016 when macroeconomic stability was restored and commodity prices started to improve. Between 2016 and 2019, Ghana's economy grew 3 times faster than the rest of sub-Saharan Africa at an average rate of 6.1% per annum compared to 2.1% per annum. Also, like all countries in the world, Ghana's economy took a hard, big hit looking at 2020 when the result of the COVID-19, with economic growth expected to decline to 1.1, which has actually affected many countries in the region. But economic expected also looking at trajectory and also forecast to recover strongly with a projected growth rate of 5% in 2021. That will also lead Ghana among the fastest growing economies in Africa. If you are new to our channel, we would encourage you to subscribe and share our videos to your different network. If you consider Ghana, looking at the country's publicity, looking at its president traveling to different countries around the world, selling the country in different areas, and looking at foreign direct investment coming into the country, more multinational companies, Twitter and other auto companies have made huge announcements that they will be investing into the country. It's as a result of the country's publicity in different ways. The president doing his work. Also, you do have other stabilities in different areas that have been set aside. However, the most important thing Ghana did was also looking at the improvement in terms of its business climate to attract these foreign companies coming in. Ghana's effort at creating opportunities for both local and international businesses are recommended and also commendable across the world. Despite being a leading African destination for foreign direct investment, in the mid-1990s, Ghana slipped into an economic crisis in 1998, recovered and also liberalization of the economy in 2000, and has not looked back since then. In the early 2000s, the government announced its golden age for the business to boost private sector development, regional integration, and good governance. This in particular came with a raft of policies and led the opening up of the economy to investors in mining, financial, and also telecommunications sector of the economy. The discovery of oil in commercial quantities in 2007 further opened up the economy for business. In 2013, the country amended the Ghana's Investment Promotion Center Act to boost the management of the country's investors' relations, which in this particular part 10 more companies to come into to do business in this amazing African country. The question here is, what is Ghana doing differently that other countries in the continent are not? If you compare that into resources, natural resources, to point out, all of those countries in the region does have natural resources, but the physical issues and also the transformative nature and policies in place are things that are being watched. The president moved from point A to point B, selling the country in different ways, and also the Ghanaian people are like focusing on the commitment to drive their country to a whole different level. The country of Ghana remains in the top 10 investment destination on the African continent thanks to its political stability and investment policies. The current administration has prioritized foreign direct investment to support economic diversification and also industrializing in key sectors in different ways. If you are new to this channel, we would encourage you to subscribe and share our videos to your different network. Despite all of these great challenges and also huge opportunities that Ghana has experienced and also attracting more international companies coming to the country, Ghana does have its own challenges. There are still sizable challenges in terms of business environment and a range of other issues like high energy costs and also unstable supply of utilities, also weak currency and also land tenure issues that complicate acquisition and also registration, local content requirement in certain sectors, and also corruption in different areas. Ghana needs to work in this different area to stabilize itself far above where it is today. Of course, comparing Ghana's position and other countries in the region, you will say that Ghana is a leading and also is a leading nation, not just for its investment issues, but as a result of its stability and the strategy of the administration. If you are new to EDUSPLORER, we encourage you to subscribe and share our videos to your different network. That's all what we got for you today. I want to thank you for joining us. Hopefully you were able to come to a conclusion with regards to why this particular country is attracting businesses from around the world and the reason why Ghana will continue to becoming more competitive and looking at other countries in the region. Hopefully after COVID-19, we shall be looking at how Ghana's performance will be. Nobody knows the impact as with regards to this particular issue. For now, thanks again, and we encourage you to watch our other videos on our YouTube channel. We're looking forward to meeting you in our next episode. Thanks very much and see you soon. Bye-bye.